Have you ever wanted to visit Stonehenge? But the entry fee is £30, pushing $50. Too expensive. Well, let me show you how to get there for free. Okay, our journey starts here. It's just 1 mile to Stonehenge and 1 mile back, so that's around 1.6 kilometers each way. I've put the GPS coordinates in the description below. You can check it out and come yourself. Save a bit of money and still see a little pile of stones. All right, let's get going. So there's the gate there where you pay £30. There's the guy, oh there he is. There's the guy collecting the money. And here's our way, look at this, wow, what a view. And here we are, look at this, wow. I think this is the end of the free line. And there's the paid people, and then there's another fence. I guess they're a fence closer. There it is, look at that. Wow. Stonehenge in all its glory. It's a pretty funny story about Stonehenge. I wanted to visit there and it was 2 in the morning, so I parked the car at the side of the road and hopped over the hedge. I didn't even imagine there would be an entry fee or permanent security there 24/7. I got escorted out in the middle of the night. I felt like a criminal, but it's just a bunch of rocks. But apparently they get lots of income, and now it's a tourist destination. But even locals have to pay the same price to learn about their heritage. It's wrong, but what can you do? There we go. It's alright, isn't it? Wow. Alright, what do we do now? What do we do now? That's it, yeah? Just stones, isn't it? Okay. I guess we're leaving. Say bye.